What if you could multiply your money without waiting years for tiny investment returns? This isn't a fantasy. It's a proven strategy that young people are using right now to grow their money fast, even starting from zero. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn small wins into major momentum by following 10 smart, practical steps that actually work. No fluff, no magic, just moves that multiply. Let's break it down. Here's the truth. Most people think building wealth takes decades, or that you need a high-paying job, a finance degree, or a crazy business idea to even start. Meanwhile, your paycheck disappears to bills, groceries, rent, and what's left? Maybe a few dollars sitting in your account, not growing, just surviving. And the worst part? You're told to be patient. That wealth comes eventually, if you just keep grinding. But what if that's not true? What if the problem isn't how much money you have, but how you use it? Because right now, there are people your age flipping skills into cash, stacking income streams, and turning small wins into serious money. Without needing a trust fund or a viral startup, you don't need more luck. You need better strategy. And that's exactly what you're going to get in the next few minutes. The fastest way to multiply your money is to increase the value of your time. And that starts with learning high-leverage skills. Skills that companies and clients are willing to pay a lot for. Copywriting, video editing, sales, coding, branding, digital marketing. These aren't just buzzwords. They're money machines in disguise. Because when you master a skill like that, you're no longer competing for minimum wage. You're commanding rates based on value, not hours. The best part? You don't need college. You need YouTube, free resources, focused time, and consistency. So here's your move. Pick one skill, just one, and commit to learning it for the next 30 days. Every single day, no excuses. You'll be shocked at how quickly opportunities start showing up. Because in today's world, your skill set is your income. Learning the skill is just the first step. The next move, monetize it. Most people get stuck in learning mode forever, waiting until they feel ready, but money follows action, not perfection. You don't need a big following or a fancy website. You need one clear offer and one person to say yes. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even Instagram or Twitter can be launchpads. Start small, a simple service with a clear outcome. For example, I'll edit your video for TikTok. I'll write your bio. I'll design your logo. Package, price, post. Your first dollar isn't just income. It's proof. Proof that your skills have value and that you can multiply that value over time. So don't overthink it. Offer your skill. Collect the money, repeat. Making money is step one. But multiplying it starts with how much you keep. Enter the 70-30th rule. Live on 70% of what you earn, and save or invest the other 30%. It sounds simple, but it's powerful, because most people make more and spend more. They upgrade their phone, their clothes, their lifestyle, and their bank account stays flat. But if you flip that habit early, especially while your expenses are low, you create fuel. Fuel for investing, starting a business, launching products, or buying income-generating tools. Start now. Track your spending this week. Cut one thing that doesn't move your life forward and redirect that cash toward growth. It's not about being cheap. It's about being strategic. Money saved is money ready to multiply. And future you will thank you for every dollar you didn't waste today. Everyone says invest in yourself. But what does that actually mean? It's more than just buying online courses and hoping something clicks. You need to invest in fast learning assets. Things that give you immediate return on your skill, speed, or visibility. That could be a better microphone for content, a subscription to a tool that saves you hours, or coaching that cuts your learning curve in half. Think of it like this. If $50 helps you deliver better, faster, or louder, it's not an expense, it's a shortcut. Most young people hesitate to spend on tools or access, but they'll drop cash on entertainment without blinking. Shift that mindset. Ask yourself, what can I buy right now that would make me faster, better, or more valuable tomorrow? Because money spent on speed often pays you back tenfold. Want a fast way to multiply your money without needing a degree or followers? Learn this word, arbitrage. It means buying low and selling high. And it's one of the oldest money plays in the book. You can flip thrift store clothes, books, electronics, digital products, even services. Find something undervalued, resell it with margin. Simple. Let's say you buy a used mic for $30 and resell it for $70. That's $40 profit. On one flip, do that 10 times, and now you've got capital. Start small. Look at Facebook Marketplace, garage sales, AliExpress, or even Canva templates. It's not glamorous, but it works. And more importantly, it teaches you how money moves, how to spot value, how to sell, how to build confidence with each win. So don't wait to create the perfect product. Flip what already exists. Trading time for money gets a bad rap, but in the beginning, it can be your fastest tool to stack cash. Freelancing, part-time gigs, food delivery, editing, tutoring. It's not forever. It's fuel. The trick: don't spend what you earn, reinvest it. Most people grind for hours, then burn their paycheck on entertainment or upgrades. But if you take that same time and treat it like seed money, everything changes. For example, deliver food on weekends, make $150, and use that to launch your first product. Run ads or pay for tools. Time for money is just your starting engine. It gets you in motion, builds discipline, and funds bigger moves. So don't skip this phase. Use it. Because every extra hour you put in now can buy you freedom later. Most people rely on one source of income, and that's dangerous. Because if that one stream dries up, game over. Wealthy people think differently. They stack multiple income streams, even if they start small. Maybe it's freelancing plus flipping products, or a part-time job plus selling a digital service, or content creation plus affiliate commissions. Each stream adds stability. And more importantly, it adds acceleration. You go from surviving to scaling. Start here. List 2 to 3 ways you could add a second stream to your current setup. Not someday, this month. What could you offer? What could you flip? What could you build? Because money loves momentum. And when streams start flowing together, that's when things multiply. Some assets make money once. Others make money forever. Digital assets fall in the second group. And they're incredibly powerful. We're talking ebooks, templates, guides, mini courses, swipe files, things you create once and sell on autopilot. You don't need a massive audience. You need a useful idea and a platform. A Gumroad, Etsy, Notion, PayHip. All allow you to publish fast and sell globally. Think, what do I know that others would pay $5, $10, or $50 to learn or use? Then package it, upload it, and promote it weekly. It won't explode overnight. But one sale becomes 2, then 10, then 100. This is the quiet cash flow strategy most people ignore. Start building once and let it pay you again and again. Because in the digital world, your ideas can outturn your hours. You've probably heard of compound interest. But there's something even more powerful: compound systems. It's when you build habits, automations, or assets that grow on their own without needing constant input. Think auto investments that pull from your bank every month, a content funnel that sells while you sleep, a product that promotes itself through word of mouth. These systems don't just grow your money, they free your time. Start small. Set up an auto transfer to your savings or brokerage account. Automate posting on your content channels. Use templates to speed up client work. The goal is this: put your growth on autopilot, so even when you're tired, busy, or offline, things keep building. Because the people who win long-term aren't the ones who hustle non-stop. They're the ones who build systems that never stop. Here's the simplest formula to multiply money fast. Reinvest fast. Spend slow. Most people do the opposite. They spend the moment they earn. New shoes, new tech, new lifestyle. But the wealthy, they reinvest before they upgrade. If you make $200 freelancing, take $150 and put it into ads, tools, or a new skill. Don't blow it on something that fades in a week. Every dollar you reinvest becomes a worker. And the more workers you have, the faster your money multiplies. It's not about being frugal forever. It's about delaying the flex until the money is working for you, not against you. So ask yourself, is this a purchase or a power-up? And remember, fast reinvestment creates fast momentum. Every dollar you touch has potential. But most people treat money like it's meant to disappear, not multiply. You've just seen the blueprint. Not a theory, a strategy. If you apply even a few of these steps consistently, your money will move faster than you ever thought possible. So stop waiting. Start building. because the longer you delay action, the longer you delay results. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, hit that like button, subscribe to Rise to Riches, and comment below. Which of these 10 steps are you starting today? Remember, you don't need to be born rich. You don't need luck. You need action and momentum. So choose one move, take it seriously, and watch what happens. Keep learning, keep stacking, and rise to riches.